Hey everybody, it's your girl Fuji. Let's talk about the secrets of the NIM. Now, remember I told y'all that that is the flip reciprocal of Aladdin and the King of Thieves. It basically is a flip reciprocal of Jasmine, and an attribute of poverty, and her using her godlike ability instead of like killing and stealing and destroying to succeed in the upbringing of her family, deliverance, brain function, and behavior skills. If you look up literally what NIM stands for, that's a method of they would say the mental health awareness. So if they're having little kitty stuff at movies and then you just so happen to look it up, yeah, so you see how backwards it's like him. So she's hemmed up in a situation due to trusting a man, because in the background you can see she has children. Now, this is metaphorical because not all men purposely leave women in these situations, because this is the flip reciprocal of why they kind of vibe. So, with the Aladdin attribute, street rat, what they're saying is, they don't look at women, especially because this is a melanation attack. She's brown. They would have, there's white mice. And then, you got the attribute of the melanated person who could have a status of white. So keep that in mind. Where they're either in secret society, initiation, recruiting, or they're literally just stepping in their power and taking back what belongs to them. But also some Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer attribute. So with my YouTube video, not me doing tarot cards, because I also do lectures. I don't just do, I'm a beast. But yeah, that is the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer attribute. The red nose. And she might shake it like a red nose. Who knows? Aladdin, yeah, they love them freaks. Stay tuned.